I'm going to put a lot of hard covers at the bottom to create some stability to this because it is on carpet. So my chair just came in. I was debating between ordering a dark color and a light color, and I first ordered the light color, but then I was like, maybe I want the dark color. So the light color one is downstairs because they didn't let me cancel it, but once I build this one, I'm gonna go ahead and return the one that's downstairs, and I'm gonna go with the dark color one because I think it'll suit my bed frame. And I already have a couple of light color wood pieces. You can see that the legs on that table is a very light wood. The rim around my mirror is also a light wood color. So I'm trying to kind of mix and match things so that way I don't feel too restricted with a certain color theme. I haven't had much trouble, but now that I'm doing the seat cushion, I feel like something's wrong because they want me to attach this part of the seat cushion with a screw like this to the bottom of this, which doesn't have a screw hole. So am I just supposed to like shove it in? I don't really know. Even if I want to shove it in, it's not going in because the bottom of the seat cushion is very hard. I'm going to go ahead and place the return for this chair. I'm just gonna go ahead and find a way to organize everything. These are the 4 lip glosses I use the most. I'm gonna keep all of the eye makeup stuff in this section along with my mascara. It's so cute. Oh my god. So as you can see, I did make a couple of changes to my room. I got a new chair, the table, and then I also got the lamp. I made that stand of books for my plants. I don't think I did a lot to my desk area other than organize my skincare and my makeup stuff as well as the brushes, but for right now I think that's what I really needed to do. I would like to decorate my walls a little bit more, but it's gonna take some time to figure out what I like, and I just don't want to buy random things. So in the meantime, I'll just kind of be looking out for different prints and different wall decor items that I might like. I may end up doing a desk makeover video, and I think that really sums up this video, so I'll see you in the next one. Just realized I never finished making my paper stars. Perhaps I will do that tonight.